Hello Retouchers, so welcome to my channel once again. So in today's tutorial, I will show you guys step by step on how I retouch this black African skin. Okay, so this is before, okay, and this is after. So we are taking it step by step, okay. So I want you to grab your laptop, grab your mouse, grab your book, and grab your seats. Let's retouch this picture, okay. So but before we start, please, I'm begging you guys, subscribe to my channel and also hit the notification button so YouTube will notify you anytime I drop a new video. Okay, so let's jump into the tutorial. Okay, so this is the raw of this image right here. Okay, so without much ado, we'll be retouching with this my all-in-one retouching preset here. So I will be making use of the frequency separation 8 bits right here. Okay, so let's retouch. So I click on the 8-bit frequency separation here. So if you need this, my all-in-one retouching preset, you can check my channel description for it. Okay, download it and follow along. Okay, so for the sake of this picture, making use of my blur, I'm making use of 10. Okay, so as you can see, 10 suited to it. Okay, so let's try 11 also. Okay, 11 is okay also. So let's make use of 11. So see, this is what you look after as a retoucher watching this tutorial. So it doesn't really have any specific amount. Okay, so depends on the picture you're working on. So if you blur, the rate that will blur your picture and you will still be seeing your textures, okay, you stop. Okay, so that is how you get it. So I click OK. So it will load and give you a message directing you how to set your mixer brush here. Okay, click continue. So right now, this is the settings I'm using. I'm on soft round brush here. Okay, so soft round brush. Okay, so here my brush settings here. The only thing that is active here is my smoothing. Okay, so this here I'm on clean brush. Okay, the first brush here is the active and this one is active. Okay, so my weight is 60, my load is 60, my mix is 100, my flow is 60. So you can try my settings. Okay, so let's retouch this amazing picture right here. Okay, and see what I'm doing. And when you are retouching, if you're working on shadow, make sure you work on shadow with shadow, and if you're working on highlight, work on highlight with highlights. So what I mean, you don't brush shadow to highlight and you don't brush highlight to shadow. See, if you brush this way, like you brush shadow to highlight, as you can see, you have spoiled the image, you have closed the highlight, which you don't want to do that. Okay, so you brush shadow to shadow and highlight to shadow, and you don't brush this way also. If you do it, you spoil the image. Okay, so you see the way I'm brushing, this is how you brush. So this is highlight right here. So you brush highlight with highlights. Okay, so you won't spoil the picture you are working on. So this is how you take your time. Take your time while retouching. Take your time and fix the picture so you look more beautiful. So guys, hope you are following along. See the way I'm working on this picture. Okay, and don't forget, so watching this tutorial, please make sure you are liking, commenting, share. And also, if you haven't subscribed, please subscribe to my channel. So let's check before and after, see what we have achieved so far. So this is before and this is after. Before, after, you see, we've done a whole lot of work. So, but let's finish it up. So this is how you go over and over again, okay, till you mix it to your satisfaction. Okay. I think this picture is nice this way. Okay, so this is before and this is after. Okay, so let's get rid of these pimples here. Okay, so we highlight the high frequency, which is the texture. Okay, then we'll pick our clone stamp tool. Okay, so we sample from the good side close to the spot and paint on the spots. Okay, there are many ways to do this in Photoshop, but for the sake of this tutorial, we are using this pattern. Okay, as you can see, we have removed the spots. Okay, before, after. Okay, so let's merge these together. Control E. Okay, so the next thing to do right here is to whiten these eyes that I'm seeing right here. Okay, and to do that, I'll be making use of my eyes retouch here. So under this eyes retouch button, you see clean eyes, eyes doctor, eyes pop, eyes retouch, and eyes contact and lashes. Okay, so let's use clean eyes and eyes retouch. Okay, so click on it and allow it to load. Okay, it has loaded, so paint only the white side of the eyes. Make sure your foreground color is on white up, black down. So the next thing I will do is to use eyes retouch because I want the eyes to be shiny and popping. Okay, so and this eyes retouch, I will paint all over the eyes. Okay, so this is beautiful. So let me merge it together with the layer. Control E. So the next thing is to skin tone this image. So to skin tone this image, I'll be making use of my dark skin tone here. Under this, my all-in-one retouching preset, you see skin tone button. Under that, you see different types of skin tone. Okay, so let's make use of this dark skin tone here. So I click on it. Okay, this is beautiful. As you can see, this is what the dark skin tone gives us. This is beautiful. If I want to leave this image like this, this is beautiful. Okay, before and after. This is beautiful, but I have to reduce. I will reduce the opacity a little. Yeah. Okay. So I merge it together. Control E. Then I will take this picture right here to camera raw filter. First, let me duplicate it. And I take it to camera raw filter. Okay, let's balance the color grading there and add some textures and sharpening to the image. So here I'll go to color here, then move from here to this blue a little. Then the vibrance and add it a little. So this tint here, I move it a little. So the texture here, let me add a little texture on the image. Then the detail, let me add a little sharpness on the image. Then this calibration here, color calibration, I increase the blue primary. I move the saturation this way. And this, I play with this here. Okay. So I click OK. Okay, as you can see, this is beautiful. Very, very beautiful. So this is, I merge it together, and this is before and this is after. Okay. So this is before right here, and this is after. Okay. So guys, I will see you guys in my next tutorial. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit the bell button. Okay. So if you need my all-in-one retouching preset right here, you can check my channel description for it. Okay. So I will see you guys in my next tutorial. Thank you for watching.